Hi guys, I'm Kiki and today I'm going to talk about why carbs can't make you fat. If you're new to my channel or new to this high starch, low fat, plant-based way of eating, then your head is probably spinning a little bit because you're hearing information that's contrary to mainstream. When I started researching these doctors and what they were saying, it was completely opposite to everything that the world is saying. The world says that carbs make you fat, they make you sick, that you should be eating a high protein, high fat, low carb diet. And that is what I was doing for years, and I wasn't losing weight and my health issues were continuing to worsen. So why can't starches make you fat? For beginners, starches only have 1 calorie per gram. Meat and dairy have 4 calories per gram, and oil has 9 calories per gram. So starch is extremely filling. It has fiber and water in it, all sorts of vitamins and nutrients that your body needs. So gram for gram, it is way more filling and way less calorically dense. It's your body's preferred source of fuel. Your body breaks it down into simple sugars, and then your cells absorb all these simple sugars to use for healing and energy. And if you overeat, your body just stores it as glycogen in your liver and in your muscles. It stores up to 2 pounds. And if you even eat beyond that amount, your body burns it off as body heat and fidgeting. These doctors maintain that it is a myth that carbs are easily converted to fat. They all say that if you look at all the published research, there is no disagreement, guys. No disagreement among the scientists that your body can easily convert carbs into fat. That process is called lipogenesis. So all the scientists and all their research demonstrate that lipogenesis is not something that our bodies easily do or like to do. What our bodies do easily is store fat that we consume right into our fat cells. Our body doesn't like to convert fat into energy, so it takes the fat that you consume and immediately stores it. So if you guys want to lose weight and get healthy, stop eating fat and eat more starch. This is what I did. I'm 40 pounds lighter and health problem free. So one of the more exciting research studies that Dr. John Mcdougall shared in his book, The Starch Solution, which I will link in the description box below, was this study where they took several obese women and several trim women and they overfed them 50% more calories than they consumed in a day normally, and gave them an extra 3 ounces of just white refined table sugar on top of that. So they were eating 50% more calories than they normally did, plus 3 ounces more of just white sugar. And they only gained 1/8 of an ounce of weight in a day. So they would have to overeat by that much, plus the added sugar, for 4 months to gain 1 pound of fat. And as you can see, that's not an efficient conversion of sugar to fat. But you go on vacation and you're consuming lots of fatty foods, you gain like 5 pounds in a week and you come back and you're like, crap. So I was really excited when I read these studies. His book is full of them. I'm also going to link lots of studies done by Dr. Neil Barnard that clearly and scientifically demonstrate how carbs heal your body. It helps your body cure diabetes and you lose weight. Like I said, I'm 40 pounds lighter here today than I was 11 months ago when I started eating a ton of carbs. What you do want to stay away from is too much fat. When you have a lot of fat, your cells get clogged with it, and then the carbs that you do eat break down into simple sugars, and your body tries to get them into your cells, but because they're clogged with fat, the sugar can't get in, and it just stays circulating in your bloodstream, and that is in effect how high blood sugar happens, and that leads to diabetes. So I hope I was able to show briefly for you how carbs don't make you fat. I'm living proof that I have been living on a high starch, low fat, plant-based diet for the last almost a year, and I've lost 40 pounds and completely reversed all of my health issues. I am no longer pre-diabetic. My dad, who was a severe diabetic for 10 years, has lost 50 pounds, and he's significantly improved his diabetes. He hasn't completely reversed it. He's had it for 10 years, so it's probably gonna take some time, but at least he's significantly improved his numbers. He's had to cut way back on his medications, and he is feeling better than he has felt in his whole life. I am going to link as many of the lectures that I think pertain to this topic in the description box so that you guys can take a look at the information for yourself and make an educated decision. And hang around, subscribe. Keep an eye on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna keep putting up videos to help you guys see how I eat, how I transitioned, how I am able to maintain my health and weight loss and make it easier for you guys. Thanks for your time. You can find me on Instagram at Plantiful Kiki and Facebook as well.